Got new tires. So brand new Michelins. I got the alignment done on the car too. Part of that, when they were doing the alignment, they noticed that the tie rods were looking messed up. I don't know if one of the bolts broke on here, but it's definitely super rusty. So I got these replaced too. And that's the first thing I think I haven't done myself on the car. Here's all the parts I have for all the recent jobs. So we got tie rods. We got old wiring harness here. This is crumbling and falling apart. Definitely was good to get this replaced. I think I showed it in the other video, but you could see all the electrical tape. Someone definitely had been there before. Yeah, and then these ends, they're just disintegrated. So really good to have that replaced. Wasn't too bad. All the ignition coils, spark plug cables. I just noticed this too. I don't know if this is regular, but those ends are definitely melted on there or whatever. Maybe it came like that, I'm not sure. Yeah, probably, I guess. Here's all the bits from the valve cover gasket and all the other stuff. So just a whole bunch of rubber. I did these are the for the trunk lid cover. And there's my doggy. So yeah, that's there's for the oil too. So I changed the oil. The oil was super nasty. It was all the way black, and after doing the work with the engine, going into the head and fixing the bolts that were in there, did the oil change, and it was little shavings in the oil filter. So glad I let it run for a while. Ran it for a couple days before changing the oil. So the oil is fresh in there. Got a new filter. Car's definitely going to be good to go for a while. Really happy with how everything turned out. So now I just got to figure out any jobs left on here, or is it time to look at selling it, maybe list it on Bring a Trailer. We'll see.